Okay, this is a standard ninth video, right, for the absentee students on 8th March 1917. Right, yesterday we end our online session with the Russian Revolution and Bolshevik Revolution. That is also called Bolshevik Revolution. So on 8th March 1917, the oppressed worker of Petrograd called for a strike. The Tsar sent his troops to contain this event, but the army refused to shoot these people. As a result, the revolution began. After the fall of Tsardom, the power fell into the hands of Karnevsky-led Menshevik group. That's Menshevik means minority group. Except for Lenin, everyone in Russia was happy with the fall of Tsar, but Lenin believed in the importance of laborers as propagated by Karl Marx, while the Menshevik group believed in the importance of the middle class. As a result, Lenin instigated the Bolshevik against Menshevik and November 1917 declared the final revolutions and got the reins in his hands. This came to be known as the Socialist Bolshevik Revolution. Thus, the 300 years old Tsardom came to an end, and for the first time, Russia was without Tsar. So, in this last passage of Russian Revolution, right, the Tsardom came to an end by Russian Revolution, and how the Russian Revolution started. In 1917, Petrograd factory workers called on strike, and to suppress that strike, Tsar sent the army troop, and ordered for the open fire. But they didn't. They denied. They didn't want to shoot them like a bloody Sunday, and they denied. Then, from army support, they started to make a rebel, and Russian Revolution started in 1917. Tsardom ended in Russia, and finally, all people got happy because Tsardom came to end. And in 1917, right, a final revolution started by Lenin. Lenin was a man, a very big political personality of Russian Revolution, and he belonged to Bolshevik group. Like we do have a Congress group and BJP group. So Bolshevik is a group, right, from where Lenin belonged to. તો લેનિન બોલ્સેવિક ગ્રુપનો સભ્ય હતો ને એને એવું કહ્યું હતું કે જ્યાં સુધી મજૂરોને મહત્ત્વ નહીં મળે ત્યાં સુધી રશિયાનો વિકાસ નહીં થાય. એટલે એને ઝારનો અંત લાયા પછી ફરીથી બીજી એક ક્રાંતિ કરી, અને એ ક્રાંતિમાં એને કાર્લ માર્ક્સના વિચારોવાળી કમ્યુનિસ્ટ પાર્ટીની સ્થાપના કરી, જેમાં મજૂરો અને ગરીબ માણસોનું મહત્ત્વ હતું. એન્ડ દેન the Russian Revolution started, and Russia emerged as a socialist Bolshevik country. So, last teaching point, efforts for the world peace, the League of the Nations. The League of Nations was a body like a United Nations after First World War. So, at present, United Nations look after the world peace and harmony and international political and border issues, right? United Nations control the aggressiveness of world. It look after the constitutional approach of the world politics. So this is a role of United Nations. Same role belong to League of Nations, established after World War I. So the horror of the world war explained the absolute necessity of world peace to the nations of the world, and for this a need for an international organization was felt. So it became necessary to think actively and immediately about world peace. The American President Woodrow Wilson had contributed substantially in the establishment of the League of Nations. The 14 points suggested by Woodrow Wilson were presented during the Paris Peace process. On 10th January 1920, the League of Nations was formed. So the League of Nations was formed by advisory of American President Woodrow Wilson, and he suggests a 14 points for international peace and harmony. And finally, in Paris peace process where Treaty of Versailles was signed between Germany and Allied group. So same place the Paris peace process was started, in which the League of Nations was established to look after the world peace, harmony, and to control some aggressive actions of the some nations. Now, what was the aims and objectives of the League of Nations? So the aims and objective of the League of Nations are to maintain international peace and security. Every nation to respect the unity and integrity of other nations, to give up the policy of war, to develop international relations, to solve international disputes peacefully through the negotiations or mediations. If any nations ignores the League of Nations or its mediations, it would be declared as a rebellion nations. The League of Nations established for world peace did not manage to keep a control over the imperialist politics of the superpowers, and in 1939, Second World War began. Now see what happened, that aims and objectives of League of Nations, right? લીગ ઓફ નેશનને કરવાનું શું હતું, બરાબર છે, એનું જોબ રોલ શું હતો, દેટ્સ કોલ્ડ એમ્સ એન્ડ ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ્સ. નાઉ first job is to maintain peace and security of every nations. Then respect unity and integrity of other nations. Give up policy of war, right? So every first is peace and security, right? તો એકબીજા ઉપર અટેક ના થાય એ જવાબદારી લીગ ઓફ નેશન્સની હતી. સેકન્ડ રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટીમાં ડોન્ટ બ્રેક અ યુનિટી એન્ડ ઇન્ટિગ્રિટી, એટલે કે જે બોર્ડર હોય એનો જે એરિયા હોય એને ક્યારે બ્રેક ના કરવો, કોઈ દેશ ઉપર કોઈ દેશે એકબીજાનો પ્રદેશ ના લઈ લેવો. ટુ ગીવ અપ ધ પોલિસી ઓફ વોર કરવાની જે માનસિકતા છે એ છોડી દેવી. ડેવલપ ઇન્ટરનેશનલ રિલેશન્સ, રાઈટ, try to establish a healthy relations between world's nations or nations wide, to solve international dispute peacefully through the negotiation and mediations. So instead introduce war between two nations if they have any problem, right, border issues or political issues or any of the issues, then with the table talk try to solve it. That was aim of United League of Nations. If any nation ignore the rules and the criteria that introduced by League of Nations, then that nation is declared as a rebellion nation, and a powerful body of League of Nations would fight against that rebellion nation. That was aims and objectives of League of Nations. Now this, instead of these strict rules and regulations, the powerful blocs were not controlled by the League of Nations, and finally that resulted a Second World War in 1939. So this is right, this is a lesson comes to an end. Now your responsibility is, right, to summarize today's discussion. Write down a textbook exercise that present in your screen, right, that present on your screen, and whenever your turn come from the checking. Thank you very much.